Hey guys, so often we talk about this whole notion of reaching your full potential or stepping into your divine power, reclaiming your power, your sovereignty, maximizing your potential, and those can be nice phrases and nice buzzwords. But it's really I don't want to ever. The thing is, when something becomes a buzzword or becomes something that people say too often, it really loses its potency. And that's ultimately why we are here, to step in, for me, to step into, to embody your divine potential in this human form and to actually go back to source, God, oneness, unconditional love, whatever you may call it. So one of the key aspects, or I want to say key virtues, key requirements of that, is really an embodied willingness. So I'm not talking about a wishy-washy willingness. Oh, I hope it happens, or it would be nice if it happens, or, you know, there's a difference between a wishy-washy, hopeful willingness and an active, strong, empowered, embodied willingness, a responsibility that almost like you are so willing that that becomes your drive. That becomes, you're on the lookout for opportunities to heal. You're on the lookout to heal your triggers. You're on the lookout to step into mastery the whole time. You welcome opportunities. You also don't take things so much personally because you see it as another opportunity to step into that mastery. It's a real willingness. It's almost like, wow, bring it on, give it to me. I really want to step in to this. So I just wanted to make that clear, because so often I hear people, that would be nice, or that would be great, without really understanding, or maybe even realizing the impact, what it could be if that embodied willingness is really a strong vibration. When you just wish for something and wishy-washy, it is a very weak vibration. It doesn't send out that strong willingness. But if it's an embodied vibration and everything aligns because of it, then it changes the whole ball game. So it really is a key aspect that I wanted to share with you, and also why we need to be so strong in our bodies, to be anchoring these kind of strong energies and to be able to really feel it, to become it. More so than just, it's a head thing or a nice thing to have. It is when we become stimulated, active, and we pulsate with a certain vibration that things really change, because that's how we change the energy in and around us. We are that energy, and that's how everything becomes the mastery. So just know that a willingness is required, but a strong willingness, a really keenness to step up to the plate, step up into mastery, and to do it. That of course will mean other virtues like courage, all of that, which are also on the cards. But today I just wanted to talk about the willingness. Thank you for listening, and chat to you soon. Bye for now.